Also, we would like to congratulate all those candidates whose nominations had not been contested and or set aside by the Electoral Court as of Friday 22 June at 1600 hours. We urge all candidates to adhere to the Code of Conduct and ensure a peaceful electoral environment as they carry out their campaigns. The law allows the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission to administer postal voting to members of the disciplined force or electoral officers on duty on election day, as well as government officials and their spouses on duty outside Zimbabwe on election day. People who may take part in the postal voting shall be registered voters on the roll for that constituency. So unfortunately what that means, and particularly in line with the Constitutional Court decision that people in the diaspora who were not registered to vote may not participate in the vote, what that means is that those of our citizens who are at our diplomatic missions, unless they came home and were registered to vote, they will not be able to exercise their right to postal vote either. Applications for postal voting should be addressed to the Chief Elections Officer using a prescribed form signed by the applicant and accompanied by a certified copy of the voter's national registration certificate. And by way of disseminating information, the deadline for submitting applications for the postal voting is actually the 28th of June.